Let's add a blog to your site. First, click the page picker and click Add Page. Then select Blog here. You can choose from an existing blog or create a new blog. Now enter the blog's title and an author name. As you can see, 3 different pages will be created. We will have a closer look at them later. And that's pretty much it. Your blog is created and attached to your site, but we don't have any posts yet. To change this, navigate to Blogs. Here you can create a new blog or work with the one we just created. Inside of the blog you can create a new post or work on a draft. This is the actual blog post with its title and its content. Also, there's different other information. Once you are done, click Publish. Back to the editor and to the pages we just created. We start with the blog homepage. On this blog homepage, we get an overview over the most recent blog posts. We also have the option to configure how this looks. The next page is the actual blog post, so the blog content. Here you can see the draft we just viewed with the title, the cover image and the blog content. The last page is the blog's archive, and here you can see all blog posts. You can even navigate to older pages. And that's how you add blogs to your site.